Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the G-shaped charger and device. This matters because alignment and power delivery determine charging speed. Plug the included adapter into a grounded outlet, then connect USB-C or proprietary cable firmly. You want stable current. Once done, position the charger so the curved G-arm faces you and the coil area sits centered on your device's wireless charge mark. Make sure the phone case is thin, because thick materials or metal will reduce efficiency and may prevent charging altogether. Now you align and initiate charging. This is the critical middle step. G-shaped chargers use a curved arm to guide your phone into the coil. Lay the phone where the arm naturally cradles it, then nudge slightly until the LED shows steady power. If you hear clicking or feel heat, reposition immediately because coils can shift and generate hotspots. Make sure wireless fast charge mode is enabled on your phone. Otherwise, you'll get trickle current and longer charge times. To finish, verify the phone displays charging and the charger LED is steady. This confirms correct power transfer. Let the device sit undisturbed until desired percentage. You can lift slightly to check temperature. Warm is normal, hot is not. If it fails, first reseat the phone and try a different certified adapter. Next, reboot the phone, because software can block wireless negotiation. One key troubleshooting tip: remove magnetic mounts or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.